On last lecture we have did some slight modification on the controller, and now this display only test. Alright, if I go to this URL, there is this index.php. Alright, so this might confuse you that why there is this index.php on the URL, and what is this index.php. If I navigate to htdocs, I will get this particular file index.php, and this file is responsible to implement the architecture of MVC under CodeIgniter framework. Again, if I ignore this index.php and try to directly reach this particular file, even that is possible. How? I need to type in like this. Let me show you. I will go to localhost, then application, then controller, and then welcome.php. Alright, and this will give me an error, access forbidden. Now why I have got this error? This is because this first line, which is already been implemented by CodeIgniter's welcome.php file. So whenever you go ahead and try to create your own controller, always do follow this convention and copy and paste this line, and this will restrict the direct access of the PHP file. Alright, and in order to access, we obviously need to go using the convention of PHP by taking the help of index.php file. Next thing, which is very important, in fact, let me show you this. The name of the file is welcome, and the first alphabet is on capital case. Likewise, in here, the class name is also same. So whenever you code a controller, the name of the file and the name of the class needs to be same. Second thing is, the logic of the controller is being implemented on this class ci_controller, in which ci are in uppercase, underscore, then again c of the word controller is again uppercase, and rest of the spelling. So whenever you code a new controller, the class name need to be exactly same as the file name, and we must extend the class ci controller. Alright. The last thing I would like to cover in this lecture is this. By default, we code the methods as public method so that we can access these methods in a very convenient manner. But again, there could be methods in the controller itself which could be used by other methods which are of private type, and these methods won't be able to access directly from the URL. It would say 404 not found. Alright, we will dig more into the concept of controller in next lecture.